Newsom announcing a plan to help the homeless during this pandemic. KPIX5's Wilson Walker begins our coverage. Wilson?
Well, Ken, I am at Moscone West, which just today started receiving a number of the city's homeless. But as you mentioned, the governor jumped on an idea that has gotten a lot of conversation lately. That is hotel rooms for the homeless. And as you know, the governor loves numbers.
Some 6,867 hotel rooms, to be exact, now are in our possession, on the way to getting 15,000.
Secured by the state to be managed by the counties for housing coronavirus-infected homeless that need a place to recover in isolation. Speaking in West Sacramento, the governor called it a solution beyond the pandemic.
So we can look more long-term as this being part of our panoply of solutions to address the homeless crisis in the state of California.
We are not going to be able to solve our homeless problem in San Francisco with this crisis.
The mayor of San Francisco was speaking at the very same moment as the governor, warning that hotels were not necessarily an easy fix in the short or long term. She is prioritizing those rooms for homeless who have tested positive and those considered most vulnerable.
Those who are over 60, those who have underlying conditions.
We have over 2,000 hotel rooms that are sitting empty today that are on contract that we're paying for. We do not want the city to hold them empty.
Today, homeless advocates protested from their cars. They want most of the city's sheltered and unsheltered homeless moved into city hotels now.
It is absolutely inevitable that we're going to have outbreaks in all the shelters. It's impossible not to. Let's do this faster so that we can get people in hotel rooms and save lives.
The mayor says this is not a question of hotel rooms, but resources, providing enough food and manpower to care for and monitor most of the city's homeless population.
So this is more complicated than opening up every hotel room in San Francisco and making it available. If that were possible, we would do it in a heartbeat.
All right, back to Moscone here. They had planned to get people in this building earlier in the week. The problem wasn't getting the building ready. It was getting the resources ready to staff it, filling out a 24-hour staffing schedule to look after the place while you have as many as 400 people in there. Back to the idea of the hotel rooms. There are between 8,000 and 9,000 homeless individuals in the city of San Francisco. Finding hotel rooms is the easy part. Managing all of that becomes the hard part. That's what you heard the mayor say. But as you heard, a lot of people in the city pushing for more. We are live in downtown San Francisco. Wilson Walker, KPIX5.